Welcome back to another DIY. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change the front brakes of Ford F-150 2019. First thing first, you want to park on a level surface. And don't forget to set your parking brakes on. You just pull it up. Also, you want to make sure to chock the rear wheels so the truck can't roll. Okay. Before lifting the truck, make sure to loosen the front wheel lock nut about a quarter turn. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to use your floor jack to lift the front up and support it with a jack stand. And never you work under a vehicle without fully supported with a jack stand. Okay, even working beside a vehicle, it's not safe for you to work beside a vehicle without fully supported. So you need a 14 millimeter socket, and you need a screwdriver, and you need a clamp. Okay, so here's the caliper. We have two bolts, one at the top and one at the bottom. You're just gonna take those off. It's pretty easy. So I did call a bunch of places just to ask how much it's gonna cost me to do this. The minimum I got was $400. You know, some places were charging me 600, and another place was 700. So I'm like, hell no, I'm not gonna pay that type of money just to change our brakes. Okay. All right, so now we have access to the brake path. That's it. That's the one that was making a lot of noise. And yeah, so we gotta replace that and just gotta remove both. You always want to make sure you change the two at the same time. Now we're gonna try to push the pistons back in. As you can see, the piston is out, so you're gonna try to like use the clamp. Okay, just be careful, don't put the clamp on the pipe, the brake, the hydraulic pipe that is there. So you're just gonna twist it, and you see how the pistons is going back inside. Okay, so if you do not do that, it's not when you put the new brake pad, because it's very thick, the caliper won't fit. So you have to push the pistons back in for the caliper to fit back in. Okay, so it's pretty easy to do, guys. Like I said, you don't want to spend that money just to change, just to give you a free coffee, put you in an air conditioned room, and take like 700 from you for something that costs like this is the brake pad I bought was I think $80. So that's the new one. And I got a little bit of grease just to put it here so the new one can slide in easily. I'm not changing the router because it still looks good, and it's still smooth. Okay, so just remember which way how it goes, right? I'm not sure if it can go the opposite way, but just remember how it goes, so you try to make sure to put it the right way. So before taking off, just take a good look. And yeah, so it's pretty easy. This side was a little bit tight. Sometimes it does because things get rusted here in Canada. So yeah, they're perfectly in now. And just try to push this pin in and out. The bottom one was a little bit tight. Unfortunately, I didn't get a video for that. The top one was fine, so just put a little bit of grease so it move easily. Okay, and now we're gonna put back this caliper back on. Thank you so much for watching. Please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell on. I post a lot of beautiful content on my YouTube channel. So guys, just make sure everything is nice and tight. Okay, that's you saving yourself and saving a lot of money as well. And all you need to do now is to put back the wheels on. Okay, please double check, triple check, make sure everything it's where it's supposed to be and everything is nice and tight. So before we wrap this up, make sure to pump your brakes. Make sure to pump it multiple times. Make sure that the brakes is firm. Okay, start the engine. You're gonna try to like roll the vehicle back and forth a little bit. test it before going on the road. Just a little drive forward and slam on the brake, backward and slam on the brakes, and that's it. If everything holds, you're good to go. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.